Good afternoon, children. Very good afternoon. I hope you all had a lunch. Yes. Now we'll start the class for third standard children's. For which class? Third standard children's maths subject. I am taking a maths subject here. In the last class, I took second chapter, that is counting numbers up to 999. Chapter name is counting numbers up to 999. Is it? I already gave you a work that to write 1 to 1000. Write from 1 to 1000. I hope you all wrote in a class work. And I sent a homework to write in class work. Exercise 1. In exercise 1, 1101, 1102, 1103, that up to 1150 is there. I hope you all wrote this, right? So next is 2051. Take down. You have to write 2051, 2052, 2053, 2054, 2055, 2066. Like this, you should write up to tell me, up to 2099, 3000, that is a 3000. Up to this, will you write? It is very easy. 2061, 2062, here 2071, 2072, here 2081, 2082, same here, 2091, 2092, same up to 2099, 3000. Will you write? Yes. Next you write 3000. See. Next you write 3071. See. 3071. Next is 3071. Here 3072, 3073. Okay, up to where it is? 3089 up to 3081, 3082. Here 3091, 3092 up to 3099, 4000. Next again they continue as 3001, sorry, 3001, 3002, 3003, 3004. Okay, is it there? 3005, 3006. Is it? Up to 3020, 3011, 3012, 3013, 3014, up to 3020, up to 3020. Will you write this? Yes. Next you write 7801. Okay. 7801, that you only write now. Last I will go for 9951, 9951, 9952, 9953, 9954. Okay. 9961, 9,971, 9,981, 9,991. You only write yourself, okay? 9,992. Last 9,999. 10,000. At last it comes 10,000. This we call it as 10,000. This is a smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Biggest 4-digit number is 9,999. Understood? So next we go for write all the numbers that comes between. Write all the numbers that comes in a between. That comes in a between. What is the first one? Comes in a between. 1,151 up to 1,160. 1,152, 1,153, 1,154, 1,155, 1,156, 157, 1,158, 159, 1,160. They gave us 1,160. Okay, you only complete this. Understood? Will you write? Yes. Next, I'll go for count in seconds. Count in seconds. See. Count in seconds. Seconds. Write all the numbers that comes between the given number. Write between numbers. In between. How you are writing between numbers? 4,220. First one 4,220 up to 4,232. 4,232 they gave middle numbers, means between numbers. Write in between numbers. I should write here count in twos. Count in twos means how we have to write? Means we have to jump the numbers, two jump numbers. We have to jump two numbers. How? See, here 4,220 is there. You have to skip, means we have to jump two numbers. 20 means 21, 22. Here 20, 22. Here next 4,224. Even numbers we should write here. See, 20, 22, 24, 4,226, 4,228, 4,230. Like this, we have to jump two number. 4,220. Don't write 21 here. Jump it to 22. 23 is not there. Means we should jump two numbers. 24, 26, 28, 30. Like this you should write. Next is count in fives. Count in fives and write between number. Count in fives means you should jump five numbers. Say 6,650, 6,655, 6,660, 6,665, 6,670. Understood? Same. 6,675, 6,680. I jump no five numbers. 5 means 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Jumping of five numbers. See how means 5, 10, 15, 20 means jumping five numbers. We should write here. Next is jumping in tens. Jumping in tens. How you have to jump? Tens means 10 numbers you should write. 10, 20, 30, 40. Like this you should write. How means see, 9,930. 9,930. You should jump 10 number here. 30 means 9,940. 9,950. 9,960. 9,970. 9,980. Like this we should jump 10 numbers here. Next, same as 100 numbers we should jump. Next, 100 numbers. 100 numbers we should jump like this. See, 100 means 5,000. What is that number? 350. Plus 100. Plus 100. Plus 100. 0, 5. 3 plus 1, 4, 5. Means next number is 5,450 plus 100. Means we should add only 100 because count in hundreds, right between numbers. 0, 5, 5, 5. Say 5,550. Okay, write in hundreds means 100, 200, 300. We should jump 100 numbers. 350, 450, 550. Next 5,560, 550, 650, 750, 850. Like this we should jump 100 numbers. Understood? This is a exercise first complete. Next we move for exercise 2. Next we move for exercise 2, part 2. Write the number names of the following. I will show you 2-3 numbers. You write it down, okay? First one, 7320. Write number name. Number name. Write number name. How you are writing the number name now? How you are reading this? Say 7,320. How you are reading? 7,320. Then we should write in number name. 7,320. 7,000 means it is in thousands place. 1, 10, 100, 1,000. 0 is in ones place. This is tens place. This is 100 place. This is 1,000 place. Understood? For that sake, we have to read 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000. This is in 1,000 place means the number is 7. So, 7,000. This is in 100 place. So, 300. This we have to read 20. So, 20. Next number, what is the next number? 2,787. 1, 10s, 100s, 1,000. 2 is in thousands place. So, 2,000. 7 is in 100th place. So, 700. 700. This is 87. 87. 80 is in a 8 is in a tens place. So, I gave right 80. This is 7. Understood? This you have to complete in a reader and as well as in classwork. This is the completion of the exercise part 1 and exercise 2. Exercise 2. Okay, write in classwork neatly. Understood? Exercise 3 will continue in our next class. Thank you.